Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy M12 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera mirror effect at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left corner to this button. When we pick it, we can open the advanced camera settings. Now let's slide a little bit to the useful features category, and here we have pictures as preview option with short information from the device that this saves selfies as they appear in the preview without flipping them. By using this button we can turn it on or turn it off as we need, and also of course remember that this only works with the front camera, so you have to change it from the back to the front one. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.